To better understand some more studio differences, we are going to be talking about different teachers and different backgrounds. Everybody trains differently. So, no two teachers are going to ever be the same. You'll find similarities, but not ever really the same thing. When we look at ballet, there are three main forms of ballet. You have your Russian method, your Italian, and of course our French. Each of them trains slightly differently though. In the United States, we tend to become that proverbial melting pot where you'll find a hybrid of each of those based on whatever the teacher or director likes in strengths and weaknesses. Sometimes you'll find teachers who have trained very detailed in one of those forms, but it's going to vary. There's no set one way to do stuff. There are different schools throughout the UK that train differently. There are different repertoire expectations throughout the United States as well. Really, it's like this across the globe. You will find different methods, different training, different expectations, and it all has the same foundation, but it changes. Hip hop can change from coast to coast. Tap can change from coast to coast. Certain steps will be the exact same thing but go by different names. And it's all in what your teacher was raised with. Teachers also may have different backgrounds in regards to what they're looking for. Some very much so focus on technique, others focus more on the performing side. You still have even more nuances where there are differences between training pre-professionally versus those who have more of a competition basis. There's all these different options and different ways that teachers have learned over the years themselves and why they would choose to teach and pass on certain traditions to their students. And so, whether you're training online, in a studio, wherever you may be, you want to take some of that into consideration and understand that each teacher comes to the table with something different that you can learn. I've had some really awesome teachers who their primary focus was on choreography. They were choreographers. They were never out on the stage performing themselves, but they had a strong background in dance and they understood the movements, and you saw that and you learned that in the classroom because of that background. I've had instructors who have also went off to college and just became an instructor like through school and they had never danced a day before in their lives. And you can learn something for better or worse. You can learn different things that you can do. You can gain different perspectives. So no matter who your instructor is, you always want to give them the respect for all of their years of training, and you want to be able to understand the differences as to why there would be little nuances from teacher to teacher, studio to studio. Everybody's coming in with just a different background. That's what makes dance awesome. You have so many possibilities, and it's just what we're able to do with it. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about being challenged. I will see you then.